Hello, guys. Welcome to Ground Reality. I have Bravish Shetty with me here. Bravish, welcome to Ground Reality.
Thanks, Neil. Great to be here.
Bravish, I would like to tell you guys that Bravish is one of the most good looking batsmen in the Mumbai cricket circuit. Personally, I've played a lot of cricket with him. I remember this small story I would like to tell you all. The under 14 games, this guy batted against us, my school team versus his school team, scored 200 runs not out in one day. Who does that to under 14 guys? That's really not fair. What do you think, Ravish? What was your journey like from being that sensation, the childhood prodigy from under 14 to the Mumbai Ranji Trophy team? How was it?
First of all, thanks for the lovely introduction, Neil. So, talking about my cricketing journey, like you said, right from being the child prodigy in Mumbai cricket, then getting on to playing for Mumbai in all the age group cricket, then toiling it hard in the club cricket, and then getting on to, finally, making it to the Mumbai side and making my debut, which was one of the best moments.
I'm sure it must not have been easy. A lot of hard work involved there.
Yeah, obviously. When you're playing in Mumbai cricket, the level of competition, as you know, so the level of competition is too tough. So you have to be there, scoring runs each and every game to be there. So, yes, it has been a wonderful journey so far.
What about the T20 Mumbai League? You were the captain of Shivaji Park Lions in the first season and you all went to the finals.
First of all, it's a great initiative by Mumbai Cricket Association. The T20 League, it was such a great exposure for a lot of guys. As in, you see a lot of Mumbai cricketers wanting that to happen, and when it happened, they made the most of it.
Yeah,
So,
long wait leading
yeah,
up to
long
the
wait.
T20
Yeah.
league. Few exceptions like Shivam Dubey. What would you say about
Yeah,
him?
he was the man of the series in the tournament. He surely grabbed the limelight in that tournament. What a player, as in true match winner. Good to have him in the side. He used to get wickets and he used to score runs at crucial junctions. So that's what you want from a
And he
player.
scored five sixes in 1 over of Praveen Tambe. Wow.
That was the highlight of the tournament, actually. Yeah.
That's what backed him the IPL contract, I think.
Yeah. Also, his performance in the Mumbai Ranji with the Mumbai Ranji team, and with this 5 6s, yes, how can you ignore him?
That's great.
So, Neil, we've played enough club cricket together and also corporate games together. At the top division in Mumbai cricket. So, what do you make of this Khadus attitude we keep talking about Mumbai players?
We've been hearing about this Khadus attitude of Mumbai cricket from childhood, and the competition that the club circuit, the corporate circuit in Mumbai has to, make it to the top level actually develops that Khadus attitude. A very good example of that would be the win after such a dismal performance in the Syed Mustaq Ali, coming back in the Vijay Hazare Trophy with a bang, winning all the games. That's what Mumbai players are made of.
That's a very good example of how Mumbai is known. Why Mumbai is known for bouncing back and
Yeah.
showing the Khadus attitude. So, talking about the Vijay Hazare Trophy, the brand of cricket which Mumbai players played, they displayed, it was phenomenal.
Yes,
Don't you
yes,
agree?
definitely. Of course, with Prithvi Shaw coming into the side.
Prithvi Shaw, then the likes of Shreyas Iyer, Shardul Thakur played a couple of games. Then also, I think this tournament we had a perfect blend of youth and experience.
Probably,
As in,
yes.
yeah, with Prithvi Shaw leading the side. Yeah,
He
the
does.
game was over in the first 10 overs itself.
He does lead well. I've played under him with North Mumbai Panthers in the T20 league. We won the championship. He's a phenomenal captain. With the under 19 India team also he was phenomenal. Rahul Dravid himself said that. Okay, so I think it brings out the best in him when he's leading. He's more responsible, wants to score, wants to lead by example.
Yeah, exactly. He steps up, right?
Yeah, so all in all, it was a well-deserved victory for the Khadus Mumbai team. What do you say?
Yeah, but also we should mention the experienced players like Aditya Tare, Dhaval Kulkarni, how they chipped in, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
Aditya Tare getting 100 in the
Getting
finals.
100 in the final, man. That guy has
It was a
been
great
there for a
effort,
long,
and
long
yeah,
time for Mumbai.
perfect example of a Karu's attitude and well-deserved victory.
Bravish, Prashant Solanki and Tanush Kotian, these two guys in the Vijay Hazare were exceptional, the spinners. they've come from the grassroots level of Mumbai cricket. You know, what is going on in Mumbai cricket right now? Where are these players coming from? All right. I think the Talim Shield just ended. Parsi Gymkhana won the finals, and with Sainath was exceptional this season. First time Sainath came to the finals of a T20 Talim Shield. What is your take on that?
Yeah, Neil, as in they won over two big teams. I mean, the powerhouse of Mumbai cricket, DY Patil, in the semi-finals.
DY Patil is a big team. They've got some very, very good
Very
players
good
from the
team,
Mumbai
yeah.
circuit. Pravish Shetty himself
Not
is
playing.
he's not playing right
currently,
now,
yeah.
but he's from the DY Patil setup.
Yeah, I was surprised. I mean, when they defeated us, as in DY Patil. But you know, they've been the underdogs, but they've played freely. They've enjoyed the game, and two special players, as in from Sainath CC, as in Shikhar Thakur and Umesh Gujjar, have done extremely well. And because of their performances, Sainath went to the finals.
Probably, yeah. Didn't make it, didn't win the finals, but then they showed the other teams that, if you have the heart to win, you will. तो प्रवीश सुनने में आया है द मुंबई T20 लीग is going to happen in the first week of June. How do we wish, how we wish this is true?
I'm praying, literally praying. I mean, there's no. If it happens, it has to happen after the IPL. So it will be in June. Hopefully, the COVID situation is is under control, and also there would be no rains. Again, we have to wish.
Rains are a major factor. I think the COVID might probably be sorted out, but the rains. But then the T20 Mumbai League brings a great platform for the young players to perform and also probably earn a few bucks. Everybody wants to earn some money, right? And gives them the limelight. So Pravish, you've been fighting a small injury. When does Mumbai cricket get to see you back? See those beautiful cover drives, the pull shots, and when do we get to see you back?
I want to be back as soon as possible. But I think with my current situation, the back injury that I have, I'm following a strict rehab plan, and I'm working out and doing all the things that is necessary to come back as soon as possible. So hopefully in a month.
Great, guys. We'll get to see Pravish Shetty playing Mumbai cricket in a month. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Ground Reality for more videos. Thanks.